Hey guys, alright, so if I sound very winded, I'm still recovering, but I wanted to go ahead and get this beauty here unboxed. If you're new here, hi, welcome. This is a FairyLoot unboxing. This is what it looks like when you open it. Spoiler card. Right. First thing I get off the top is, oh, it's Howl's Moving Castle tea light holder. That is so cute. I don't know where. Oh, it's okay. It's like these things, and they hang, and then you put the thing, and then they turn. I've always wanted one of those. It's gonna be nice. I've always wanted one of these as a kid, but now I have a Howl's Moving Castle one. So. Also, I'm still congested. Next thing is, oh, and sorry, the designer for the tea light candle holder is Blanca Design. I always like their stuff. And it says, add a little magic to your day with a merry-go-round tea light candle holder. It features Calcifer, a shooting star from Howl's Moving Castle. So there's a Calcifer. What is this box? What a river knows. Scarf. And it's a scarf. I like the box. Oh, this is gorgeous. That's so pretty. I like it a lot. And then I think if I could get it back smaller. I'm gonna always keep it in the box when I'm not using it. But the designer for this is Michael Alcane design. It's all bunched together. My brain's just like I have a lot of stuff. I need to clean up my shelf, like, badly. Alright. Next thing ooh. Legend Born bookend. So these will be bookend number 3, 4. I can't remember. That is so cool. And this is by Jez Art. Yeah, it's possess your own Excalibur with these bookends. They feature a design inspired by Legend Born by Tracy Dion. And I read that. I loved it. I can't wait for book 3 and 4. I'm excited. Highly excited. I don't know where I'm going to put these. Please don't fall. Okay. I think I had gotten an email. Yeah, okay. So one of the items that they didn't get in time and they wanted to be able to get people their boxes is a Packy Cube. It's not one of those canvas little thingies, I don't know, but I'm excited. And then I'll come back to this when my January box comes in. I already know who this is. Violet Sorrengail from Fourth Wing as 8 of Moons. And if I am correct on this, that's Aiden Rorson. It's a 7 of Moons. Yes. Violet and Zayden. Oh gosh. Okay. Gotta get. The letter and character art for this month's book. Maybe something Egyptian. Maybe. I don't know. But I'm excited to find out. And then we'll go over this. All right. I'm not a fan of this cover though. But it's What the River Knows by Isabel Ibanez. I hope I'm saying it right. So here's the sprite edges. Okay. I'm taking the cover on because I don't know if there's any like like reversible dust jacket, but that's that one. And this is what it looks like. It's gorgeous though. I think I almost like it without it. Let's see, is there a reversible dust jacket? There is, and I might go for this one. I'm not sure because I don't know, because this one just seems like a little plain. I like the foliage on it and everything, but and again, if you're new here, all FairyLoot books come signed. Oh. Okay, all FairyLoot books come signed. I'm just gonna set that down there because, as you can tell, I need to clean my bookshelf. As y'all know, this box is Artifacts of Power. So basically in here, it talks about like some questions and the author answers them, some releases for that they're excited about for 2024. And then it talks about next month's box. Next month's box is going to be a theme of Regency and scandals, which is exciting. And then it says, in this box, items inspired by Half a Soul, Emily Wilde's Encyclopedia of Fairies, the Wisteria Society of Lady Scoundrels, and then obviously, you know, it just talks about a little about the featured book. I mean, it doesn't tell you everything or anything like that, but I'm still very, very excited. But yeah, that's basically it. Item number 4 will be in my next month's box because I didn't get it in time. But anyway, I have to say I am really liking the book ends, and then my tea light holder, which I'm excited about using and setting up and having on my bookshelf. But yeah, If you made it this far, also if you're new, I always do like this one emoji for FairyLoot. So that is a fairy emoji. Comment down below what your favorite item is. And I cannot wait to be able to show y'all the fourth item in next month's box. But I will tell you the designer of it. No one designed. I love their work as well. So until next time, you guys. Bye.